my heart. 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You were just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸.
Hello everyone. Hi. It was so hot out there. So how are you guys?
Fine.
And you?
Fine.
I am also fine. But I am getting too much late for outside traffic. By the way, where is Sam?
You will come after some time. He called us.
No problem, we still have 10 minutes to start the class.
Okay. So what do we do now?
Let's practice a role play.
Sir always tells us to practice our role play then when we are all free. But now, while we are all wasting our time.
Oh, that's a good idea. By the way, can I give you the topic?
I agree with Pooja. She is right.
Okay, today's topic is about the pros and cons of the lockdown. Okay, so we are suffering too much from this COVID. So, okay, before that, I want to say something about this COVID-19. Okay, first of all, this COVID-19 has turned into a pandemic.
Yes, of
Yes,
course.
of course.
Okay, we should divide two teams first. Okay, I, Uttama and Ananta are in one team, which is called team A, and you three are in team B. Okay, you will talk against lockdown and we will talk in favor of lockdown. Okay, but before that, I want to say something about COVID-19. Okay, COVID-19 has turned into pandemic. According to me, and you also agree with me. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Then actually it has started in China first. After that, in most of the countries it has spread. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. And after that, by the way, though we are suffering too much, and most of the countries still now, actually, most of the countries are in world are still now suffering from these. Okay. So I think there is no particular medicines or vaccines for this COVID-19.
Yes, of course.
Most of the countries for that have implemented lockdown for this disease. Okay, so according to me, though I search in Google, so with this situation we have to be concerned about our health and each and everything of ourselves and others. Okay, and I think you all will agree with me. And in India, though I know 63,000 people near about died so far. People are grappling with these difficult problems, and also economy is struggling on all fronts.
But Pooja Di, there are so many problems for this lockdown period.
Animals have got a little bit space. Even varieties of fish can be seen near the sea.
Look, Pujadi, we humans have got some time to rest and be free from our busy schedule, and we can spend quality time with our family members. The COVID rules are very uncomfortable for the pupil, and it creates much positive effects in the pupil.
People are not able to make them in socialized because during this lockdown period, parties and functions cannot be organized, and pupils put them in home for the fear of COVID-19 virus, and almost many of the people are lost their jobs. So in this time, I think this lockdown is not too much good.
Actually, small children are not able to stay out. They need a good amount of physical activities every day. But lockdown is stopping from playing out.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning.
So what were you doing, students?
Sir, actually we are discussing about the role play.
Role play about which thing?
About sir, this pros and cons of this lockdown situation.
Oh, that means you did not waste your time and you executed this time so well.
Yes, sir.
That's great, that's great. You should do like that every
you.
time.
Thank you.
We have to understand that time is very much precious and we have to execute the time we get. When we are free, we have to execute the time. Right?
Yes.
So I am so happy the way you executed the time. And
Actually, sir, we learned it from you, sir.
thank you so much and you have to continue this thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start the class. Okay?
Okay.